Dress left!
Dress left! Dress left!
Dress left! Dress left!
Ready?
Run! Run!
I saw the lining of that side, they're completely not lining up for the different side. Come on, dress!
Yeah. I was the last to go, so I went to the finish.
Hello, Simeon.
Feel good? Yeah. I just turned around and see Aaron scratching his ass. He's like, alright, okay. No. Really? I had pristine white hair.
Nothing broke on the run.
No, if I broke you with the road, actually. Was that
my pride.
my pride.
My pride.
That's like it.
That hurts so much more than any start.
You never call us cowards.
It's usually, but everything just has coming undone as soon as you move.
Yeah, in a moment, please.
Have we got on the road, Charlie? Helmet shot, yeah? Okay.
I'm right behind you. Sorry, I'm on the bubble. Hello. Could you ask to squeeze in here?
Of course.
Thank you very much. Enjoying the running?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least I don't have camo trousers.
Yeah. Yeah. That
Yeah.
hurts.
Look at what train I'm wearing.
I know.
Well, I didn't know we were running. If I knew we were running, I would have worn this.
Yeah.
I've seen a few
3.5
headshots already.
You sure?
Rodeo! Slow advance! Reinforce the right!
Reinforce the road! Keep line on this side!
Look left and right! Keep it straight! Archers! Watch out, Archers! Army behind you!
Watch out, Archers!